Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita, back with another tutorial. And today I'm gonna jump into a little power move. It's a cool little spin drill. So once you're nice and protected, from there we wanna get into our headstand. We're gonna go back to the very, very basic positions of getting into a headstand, which are your hands are gonna be the two bottom corners, and then your head's gonna be that triangle top, right? So I'm showing you, so you're not seeing my back. But basically, hands here, head is gonna be here, okay? So make sure your head is not in line with your hands. I'll show you this way. So my hands are here, my head is a little bit above my hands, and then from there, you wanna push off your toes, yeah? Push off your toes, and you're gonna try and get straight up into a headstand, yeah? If you can get into a headstand, it's nice to try and get your weight off of your hands. So I kind of, go here, balance. You don't want, sorry, my mic might have been all in my mouth right there. You don't want a lot of weight on your hands, because if a lot of weight is on your hands, then you can't transfer that weight to your head, and the goal is to get light off of your hands and then quickly, transfer the weight to your head to do a quick spin, little momentum push. So that would be like my first step that I would teach any of my students, get that headstand solid. Once you have the headstand, try and pull this down from here, right? So you're here, you're up on the top of your hands, good. I rotate, so you're gonna do this like runner's position, yeah, and I'm gonna rotate my hips slightly. Make sure that you keep your legs up. Don't drop your legs low like this. I'm losing the center balance of my hips, yeah? So make sure that your legs are up nice and high. I have energy all the way through my toes, so don't let your legs like hang up here. You wanna stay strong, yeah? And then from here, this is the position that you're gonna do. You're gonna open, and then you're gonna wrap and close, yeah? So again, from here, you're gonna open and then close. So you're drilling right there. I'm kind of shooting energy through the bottoms of my heels. Again, here, then I'm gonna open, bring this foot around, and then I'm gonna come in, yeah? So, the blood was rushing to my head. So that is a really great drill to even work on. As you start to develop, you're gonna probably be wobbly, drop it like it's hot for a little bit until you can really get that control. The way that you choose to do your drill will go off of the way that you do your footwork flow. So if you're going counterclockwise with your footwork, then you want your drill to also go that same way. So if my footwork goes this way, yeah, then I want my drill to also go counterclockwise. If I go clockwise with my footwork, then I want my drill to also go clockwise, okay? So if you're just starting, use that as a guide, because then you can combo your moves as you get, more developed in your breaking world and your breaking flow, okay? So now we're here. I'm gonna go back. So we're here, we're up, yeah? We're here, good. Then from here, as I was telling you, this drill right here, good, right? Now there's gonna be a slight push off. So I'm gonna go back flat. There's gonna be a slight push as I drill up, right? So it happens, you wanna gauge your strength too. So push a little bit, try and get a little bit of a spin. Then the next time you go up, push a little bit more. The goal would be to catch. If you can control the ending, you have a lot of options. You could freeze it, you could drop into footwork, you can stop it really nice. Maybe drop an elbow down and hit an elbow freeze at the end. So if you start to work on controlling the end, right away, that's the best thing, okay? And always try and reinforce the ending. All right, here we go. Let's try the drill. Nice. All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Practice those drills, and I'll catch you soon. Peace out.